Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming developer access and creating a merchant ID in the Apple Developer Portal so payments can route to your account. Next, enable Apple Pay in your app identifier and toggle capabilities inside Xcode. This wires entitlements. Once done, add the PassKit framework and set NS Apple Pay usage description in info. Plist so the system prompts correctly. Make sure your sandbox tester cards are set up in Wallet. You'll need them for immediate in-app testing. Now assemble the actual payment request. Build a PK payment request with your merchant ID, currency, and country to let Apple validate your merchant. Populate payment summary items for each line item so the user sees totals and taxes. Set supported networks and merchant capabilities to match your processing. Then present a PK payment authorization controller and implement its delegate to authorize, update totals, and capture the token. During authorization, pass the token to your backend for processing. You'll explain why to keep keys off the device. Finish by securely sending the PK payment token to your backend server where the payment processor completes the charge. This separation keeps secret keys off the client. Once the processor confirms success, call completion handler with success and dismiss the authorization controller, which finalizes the UI. If something goes wrong, check your merchant certificate and sandbox wallet test cards first. Recreate the sandbox user or revoke and reissue certificates. Make sure error responses map to clear user-facing messages to avoid repeated failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.